Ready, go!
First, go to Edit, Project Setting. Then scroll to Input, add a new input, call it Sprint or Running. I'm going to use the input, left shift, to trigger my running. Make sure the name matches the name of your input. Close this, you're done over here. Get inside the first person character or your player blueprint. From here, you're going to be able to get your input. Then, you're going to need to get the character movement. From here, in the walk and the details, press walk speed. You're going to get the max walk speed. By default, it's going to be at 600. Bring it down to 250. Just to get a walk speed, you can choose the measures you'd like custom for this. Then control drag the character movement inside your blueprint and set max walk speed to the running value. I'm going to use 600 for this example. Bring in the execution for the pressed and Ctrl C, Ctrl V for the bottom and put it to 250 for the walking. So when your character releases the input, he starts walking and you are done. If you want to have more customization value, you can bring these out, promote them to variable, and rename them to what you'd like. Now you have your two values over here. You can compile and save, and you're ready to test it out. Display. When you hold shift, your character is going to be running. When you let go, your character will be walking. And this is your basic sprint in UE4. Cheers!